Severe storms headed to Austin area. Tornado watch issued near central Texas. NWS. Austin American Statesman. Very large hail and strong winds are the biggest threats this evening, the National Weather Service warned. There is a small chance for tornadoes. Below are your comments. I lived in Austin, San Antonio for decades and had 3 instances of having to replace the roof on a condo, townhome and house during that period of time. Even if you are not hit by a tornado, these storm items bring high winds and hail. Luckily the HOAs on the condo and townhome handled the roof. May 27, 1997, an F5 tornado hit Jarrell, Texas just off IH-35 heading south-north of Austin. That day the weather was very still, and the sky had a strange color. The tornado hit around 4 p.m. The winds were estimated to be over 300 miles per hour. The only thing left of houses was the concrete slab at E. Ven Pull. The Lord works in mysterious ways. Time to get on His good side. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.